Hello, Bachawade. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the easy way to understand the science of standard 6. This is the second part. In the previous part, we had studied the many of the thing of human body. Clear? And now we are reached on the rib cage. Your cage. It's a simple that it's a prism. Jail. Clear? So your heart is in the jail. With jail, it's a ribcage jail. Amazing point. Wow. Let's look at what is that. So the ribs are curved bone present in our chest region. Clear? This is the curved bone. You can observe it here over the chest region. So there are 12 pairs of bone which form a cage. So there is a 12 pair means one here. So it's a 1, 2, 3. So there is a 12 particular bones to form a cage like structure. One end of the bone joined in the backbone. So the one end means what? So it starts from here, backside, backside. So this portion is going to be what? It's going to be connected with the backbone. Clear? And while the other end is the joint, the breastbone of the particular. Okay, we can change the color so we can find it. The breastbone in the front. This is our breastbone. So एक यहाँ से जुड़ा, एक पीछे से. Clear? Now, what is the function of this rib cage? We know very well that it is a function to protect our body, some of the parts. Clear? Let's look at rib cage protect the internal organs like heart, liver and lungs. Clear? So rib cage is going to protect. Here is our heart, liver, lungs. यहाँ पे सब होता है. Clear? इसे protect करता है इसे. It take a part in our breathing movement along with the lungs. When we are breathe, on that time you can observe it that our chest is going to be expand, contract. So rib cage is going to be on that time move also. Clear? You can take the deep oxygen in your with the use of nose. या छाती फूल जाएगी 26 की छाती. Clear? And when you release on that time it's going to be a contract. So it's going to move with your lungs. Next, backbone, the amazing thing of your body. Clear? And it's going to be a joint and it's going to be a support to stand. Clear? Or you can sit properly. On that time it's going to be a support. Now it's the spinal cord and the backbone are both the different thing. Mostly the person are always thinking that the spinal cord and the backbone are both the same, but it's not like that. Clear? So backbone पीछे की हड्डी. Clear? It is a long hollow rod-like structure running from the neck. Clear? This is the neck to the hip. Clear? So it's a long and the hollow rod structure. A long and hollow rod structure. One is joined with the neck, खोपड़ी के साथ, and one is joined to the hip. Clear? So let's look at that. Where is that? Okay, where is our? Okay. So this back side there is a particular backbone. One is connected with the neck. This is our neck. Another is connected with the hip. Yeah. Okay. So and it is called. It is also known as what? It's a vertebra column. Clear? The backbone is also known as a vertebra column. There is a 32 small bones placed in each other. Clear? Like this way, small bones. This type of bones are going to be connected और इस तरह से join होता है. Yeah. So it's called as each small bones is called as vertebra. Clear? Between the various vertebra are the discs of cartilage which allow the vertebra to move slightly and enable to the backbone to bend forward and the backward. Clear? So in the particular vertebra, when the two small vertebra, this is the small vertebra, when these two are connected over the between portion, when the two vertebra is connected, in the between portion there is a particular what cartilage, soft bones are present, so they can move it forward and backward easily, or dard bhi na ho. Okay, so this you can observe it at your particular, if you are the non-vegetarian, if you are eating the particular hen or chicken, on that time also leg piece you can find it that smooth type of bones are present. Clear? This is the particular bone, and over that portion white color इस तरह से आपको मिलेगा कनेक्शन. क्लियर? यहाँ पर ऐसा होगा. So this portion is what, it's the cartilage. Clear? Now what is the function of that backbone? Backbone provide a main support to our body. This is the main support to our body. Yeah, or all other parts are going to be about, it protect our organs. Clear? If you are thinking about the skulls, they protect our brain and the particular senses. Then rib cage, it protect our heart, lungs, liver. Then other also are going to be helped, or we can say the protect our the such type of organs. But only the one thing is that backbone is the support system, main support of our body. If your backbone is broken, you are not supposed to run or sit properly. You need a wheelchair. Clear? It support head at its top. Clear? ऊपर से नीचे तक क्या वो हेल्प करता है. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द बैकबोन. क्लियर? It attach along with the shoulder bone, ribs and hip bone. Clear? Now at the three places is going to be attached. One is the shoulder. Clear? Next is rib and another is hip. Rib and hip we had already studied that the rib cage, that curved type bone is going to be attached with this, and this last portion is going to be connected with the hip. Clear? Now how it going to be connected with the shoulder? Let's look at that skeletals, whole body skeletal. Okay, so the backbone, this is the collarbone. Clear? This is going to be connected with this particular shoulder and the backbone. Clear? I had attached many of the pictures also, you can find it over there also. It gives the protection to the spinal cord. Now this also gives the what protection to the spinal cord. Spinal cord and the backbone are different things. Spinal cord is simply that particular very simplest type of structure in that. They are providing the signals and all the things that you will study in the further classes. Clear? Okay, so let's study the shoulder. What is the shoulder? Bones. The arm of our body are attached to shoulder. Arm is a simple that the upper arm and the lower arm, or we can say the hand of our body, are attached to the shoulder. They are two shoulder bones. We have two shoulders, so how many we have shoulder? Two shoulder. So how many bones of shoulder? There is a two shoulder bones. Okay, one is a collarbone and another is a shoulder blade. Okay, this is our bone, this is our collarbone. That in the neck you can find, when you touch your neck side, below the neck side, you can find it the collar. Clear? When you go to the tailor, you are saying that you have to make it this type of collar, this type of collar. Why their name is the collar? Because of that collarbone. Clear? So there is a collarbone, here is a collarbone, and this is our shoulder blade. Clear? The upper arm fit into the socket of shoulder blade. So the upper arm, this is our upper arm. You can find it the dole sole. Clear? So upper arm is going to be attached with the shoulder blade, with the ball and the socket, that first bone. Clear? What is the function of the shoulder bone? Let's look at the collarbone. Are the two sides of the bone two sides of the neck keep our shoulder apart. Clear? Collarbone is what? It's a two bones which make our shoulder apart. थोड़ा दूर रखेंगे और अच्छे से रखेंगे. Clear? Otherwise it will be a contract if there is no bone. Now shoulder blade provide the site for muscle attachment. Shoulder blade is what? They are providing the site to attachment the muscles which move the arm and neck, even the upper part of the body. Clear? The shoulder blade is going to be give the particular site to move this type of things, arm, neck and the upper part of the body. Shoulder blade attach the arm to our body. Shoulder blade is attached with the arm. This is our arm, this is our shoulder blade, and these both are in our body. Clear? This is the upper arm, this is joined with the shoulder blade, and this is the collarbone. Okay? You can feel it by touch your body. ऊपर का टच कर दे, शोल्डर दिखेगा थोड़ी दूर है. क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग द शेप. और अगर ये दूर होगा तो हम अपनी बॉडी और सब अच्छे से रोटेट कर पाएंगे ना, साइड बाय साइड, अप साइड, डाउन साइड. क्लियर? अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Now pelvic bone. What is the pelvic bone? There is a hip type bones. The pelvic bone form a large basic shape framework. Pelvic bone is what they are forming, the large and basic basin shape. Clear? Framework. At the lower end of the backbone, to each to which the leg are attached. So this is a pelvic, this is our leg. Leg is going to be attached to the pelvic, and this is the upper portion. There is a backbone is going to be connected over here. Clear? Backbone ऊपर से आएगा, यहाँ पे join होगा, यहाँ पे हमारे पैर है. Clear? This is the pelvic bone. Clear? Now the pelvic bone is known as what? Hip bone. So pelvic bone is also known as what? It's also known as a hip bone. This is a 1 marks question. There is a black color in each and every portion you are finding. This is important. It can be asked in the MCQ filling the blanks, any of the things. It is very important. Clear? So we remember that the bone encloses the portion of the body below the stomach. This is the bone which enclose our body. Below the stomach, it's going to be close our organs, or it can be protect our organs. Clear? So below the stomach, it is also the part of the skeleton we sit on. It is a part of our skeleton, and it is the portion where we are sitting. वो वाली जगह है जहाँ पे हम आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. Clear? That तसरीफ. Clear? Now what is the function of that pelvic? The pelvic bone protect and support the lower organ of our body like intestine, urinary bladder, internal sex organs, etc. This type of bones, it going to be support and even that protect. Clear? It attaches the leg to our body. It also attaches to our leg to our body. It is simple. You can say that in our body each and everything is very important, and if there is no bone, such type of bone, then our one of the part is going to be not completed. Clear? अगर वो नहीं है तो नहीं हो सकता. Clear? It provides a site to the attachment of the muscles that move your leg, hip and the trunk, etc. So it give you the particular side. Clear? This is give you the side, so your leg and all the internal organs are moving properly, and all the muscles are going to be moved properly. Clear? Now this is the hip bone. You can observe it here. There is a hip bone, tasrif ke bones. This is our thigh bones. Now bones of the fingers. Hand is made up of the 3 parts which below. This is our hand, and this is made up of the 3 parts. Which are there? Let's look at. One is a wrist. Wrist matlab kalai. There is 8 small carpals. Clear? This is the wrist. Clear? 8 small carpals. Then palm matlab ke hatheli. there is a 5 long metacarpals, clear, over this portion. This is the palm. Now there the finger, 3 bone in each finger called phalanges, clear. So there is a 3 bone. You can observe it here that you can find it when you are counting any of the sums. You are finding that there is a particular arc over there. वहाँ पे लीटे दिए गए, तो you are finding in one finger you are counting 1 2 3. Why? Because there is a 3 particular bones are there, clear, and their 3 bones are known as what? Phalanx. You can observe it in your hand when you open your hand, clear. The center portion is the arm portion, and it is what? Palm portion is a metacarpals, and the wrist is known as what? It's a carpals, and this is the forearm portion. This is your hand. Yeah. Now thumb are made up of the 2 bones. Mostly the person they are counting, तो सब में 3 है तो thumb में भी 3 ही गिनते हैं, but actually it's not a 3, it's simply that it's a 2 bone. When you move your finger at the first portion, you can move it that wait a minute, I will show. So this is my finger. At the first it will move like this way. This is the first movement, clear, first bone. Then it's going to be moved in this way, clear. This is the second bone, and it's going to be moved totally. This is the third one. 1 2 3, clear. In the thumb, when you observe, it's going to be first move in this way. This is first one, and second is this way. So it have the 2 bone only, clear. This is our palm, clear. They have the particular 5 bones, clear. So this is the things. Now the cartilage, they are the additional part of the skeletals that are not as hard as the bone and which can be bent, clear. This is the additional part of our skeletals, clear बच्चा वाली. So when you observe the skeletals, you are not supposed to observe the nose, even the ears. Why? Because it is made up of the cartilage and it is the additional part. It's going to be a framework your whole body structures, and it can be a bend. If you move your nose, it's going to be a bend easily, clear. आप आराम से उसे bend कर सकते हैं कोई भी direction में. Most of the skeletals is made up of bones, but it has some cartilage too. So our whole body system is made up of these skeletons, but at some of the portions and some of the bones there is a use of cartilage too also to move it flexibly. Clear. There is a liquid type of things. This is not liquid, this is a cartilage, clear. Cartilage is a kind of a softer and elastic bone present in a body, clear. Cartilage is what? It's a very soft and elastic type bones. It is present in our body. It is present in the pinna of ear. Pinna is the upper arm. This is the pinna, clear. ये pinna है आपका. It is present at the end of the nose, clear. Nose structure is not here. You have the nose, yes or no bacha buddy? Okay, so you can touch it over your nose. It is very soft, clear. It is also present between the vertebra of backbone. That already we had studied that in the vertebra. This is the particular vertebra. In the vertebra, over this portion, we will change it the color. Here is what? Here is the cartilage, clear. Now it is present on the one end of bone which they meet one another at the joint. Now on which portion is joint? It is available at the one end. Over there they are going to be meet to the another bone. वो कहाँ पे joint होगा? वो जगह पे joint होगा. मतलब कि suppose this is our bone, और यहाँ का पोर्शन हमें दूसरी जगह पे ज्वाइंट करवाना है ना, यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? कार्टिलेज ज्वाइंट होगा, सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज. तो आराम से ज्वाइंट होने के बाद मूवमेंट कर पाए, क्लियर. ये भी ज्वाइंट होने वाला है तो यहाँ पे भी कार्टिलेज होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चा बड़ी एक ही जगह पे यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर दिया सर हमने, यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर दिया, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे भी होता है। क्लियर? So you can observe it, this is a pinna of our ears, this portion also, so earlobe, this is made of the cartilage. Here our lecture is going to stop, and we will move it in the further lecture, that many of the things we will study in our next chapter about the different type of animal, birds and fish, many of the things, that how their body is working and what's that in our body. So stay tuned with us, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents, and goodbye, bye bye, bacha bati.